In front of me I've got HTC Desire 628. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay app. From here you can add payment method and different types of cards. Also, you can manage all your payment methods, check list of participating banks, and your full activity. Then we can check settings, and in settings you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.